This engine was too good to succeed. 2 cylinder heads, 2 sets of camshafts, 24 valves, complex balancing, expensive to manufacture, expensive to fix. But a turbo 4-cylinder, 3 times simpler, cheaper to produce, same power output, more torque down low, 1 timing belt instead of 2. Engineering beauty lost to economics. The smallest V6 remained Japan only. The full story of the 6A10 and why they don't make engines like this anymore in the full video.